welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite reds, and I have to say I'm sorry about my hair. I got it braided yesterday so that I could go to the gym, and I'm waiting for it to make pretty curls, so excuse my hair. So my favorite red lipsticks, I'm starting with the lip liner that I always use is the MAC Cherry lip liner. I think it goes with every red and coral color, and it stays with you all day. It looks like this. And this is my favorite color. This is my pointer. My favorite color is Ruby Woo. Ruby Woo. Ruby Woo. Ruby Woo. And it is a matte collection, retro matte. It stays on your lips, but it's not like over, it's just a comfortable matte. So it's a blue-based red, and I love blue-based reds. Say that all together. So this is one of my very favorite reds whenever I'm in the mood for it. And we'll move on to the next color. So two of my favorite from the Fenty Beauty. And this one is also a blue-based red. And it's called Mademoiselle. So this one is called Mademoiselle. It's kind of a deeper, darker red than the Ruby Woo. I like these because it's really the same type formula. It's just a comfortable matte. And this one is really pretty to me. This one is called Candy Venom. And this is a pink color, and it is so pretty. Candy Venom. I think this one's pretty. It's an electric pink color. Okay, my next favorite. I love all the ColourPop lipsticks. They're a more affordable brand. This one is called Poppin'. And this is more of a powdery matte. It's just, I think it's flatter than the last one that I tried on. I think these are around $7 a lipstick. And they have lots of specials all the time where if you buy one, you get one free. Or sometimes they'll have like a 40% off. So I really like this shade. Pretty for spring. The next color I like is Lullaby. And this one is more of an orangey red, a corally red. I really like this one. And then the next shade. This one is called I Heart This. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm getting it out of the lines, but this is called I Heart This from ColourPop. So I really like this color too. And it kind of has a little bit of, it's not that matte. It's not that powdery. It's kind of got just a little bit of sheen to it. The next shade that I love is also from ColourPop, and this one is called Cozy. And this is just like a really, really pretty coral. So I love this color too. I love this one. This is from ColourPop as well. This is a liquid lip. And this one is in the shade Mars. And I hope it does not dry down. The ones that they have that are the liquid lip matte, when they dry down, they are in it to win it. They're in it for the long haul. You don't have to worry about touching up. Like, they'll stay on your lips all day long. They are a little bit difficult to take off, so you'll have to use like an oil-based cleanser, or the Clinique Take the Day Off is really good. This color is really pretty. This is called Creeper. And just like I said about the nudes, the reds are the same thing. They may look all the same, but they're different in their own right. So this one is more of a rusty red. Okay, so this one is called Light My Fire, and it is by NARS. It is just their lip pigment. As you can see, it started out really glossy, and now that it's drying down to a matte. And this is a comfortable matte, so you don't have to do all that mess with, you know, the oil. I love this one. This is called Renman. And this is a satin lip, so you're not going to get the full dry down. And this is another deeper, darker red, like a rusty red. So this is Tom Ford True Coral. Okay, so I decided to pull my makeup off because every time that I was taking the red lipstick off, it was pulling all my foundation around my mouth. So just showing you the colors, but I feel like I would feel more comfortable just not wearing makeup with this next few. Okay, so I will show you the next. I love the L'Oreal Pro Matte Gloss. This stuff is really good because it's not sticky and you won't have any trouble taking it off your lips. And this is pretty much the exact same color. This was called Aphrodite Kiss. So this is what it looks like, and it dries down just a little bit, but it's very comfortable. Like, this one is one that I would choose if I didn't want to mess my makeup up, if I knew that I wasn't going to wear the lip all day. This one is another good one. I'm not going to put it on because my lips are hurting from all these swatches. This one is called Moi from ColourPop, and this one I've worn in a previous video. This one is really, really good. As is this one. This is top favorite, but this is also going to be one that you're going to have to work to get it off. But this one is called Little Weapon, and I've also worn this in a video before. If you'll just scroll before in my past videos, you'll see what that one looks like. I think I did a whole video in that one. And then, let's see. Let me just make sure, because I have, you know, I'll just have to do more videos. that show you more of my favorite colors, but I've pulled really the ones that I wear the most. So usually I'll store them in the bags, but the ones that I wear the most I'll keep in my nude drawer, just a little section of red that I wear a lot. Let me make sure there's nothing else to show you. This one is a really good one. This is a good red. This one is the Kat Von D Outlaw red, and this one is really pretty. Maybe I'll put this one on, and I gotta show you the other one. Okay, so this is the L'Oreal How Quickly It Comes Off of Your Mouth. And, okay, this one is the Melted Matte by Too Faced in the shade Feeling Myself. Okay, this one is called Straight Peach, and it's from the Melted Matte by Too Faced. And this one is, I think this one would be pretty in the spring with a bronzy eye. I think that would be really pretty. Okay. Back to the Kat Von D Lolita, no, not Lolita, Outlaw. I don't know, it kind of looks like a blue-red. It's a really pretty red, whatever color it is. Okay, this one is so pretty, and it's by ColourPop. It's a matte lipstick, but it doesn't dry down to an uncomfortable like we've been putting on. This one is called Chi Chi. And this one I think is so pretty. It's like a fiery coral color. But I think it is so pretty. Halo. Clove Halo. Not Halo. This one is a glossy one. So if you're feeling like you want your lips to look juicy, this would be a good option for you. I really like the color a lot. I guess I'm more of a vivid, if I'm gonna wear a red color, then you're gonna see it. Or an orange or a pink, any of those colors. Like, I just love being different, and not that it's different, but I guess I lean more towards the wow, bright, vivid reds and pinks. And in high school, I would always wear the Revlon brightest shades that they had. And so this one is another option if you kind of don't like the hot, fiery, vivid colors. This is by Smith & Cult. This is a luxury brand, but I got it for free whenever I placed an order with Neiman Marcus. So this is called The Warning. And it has a little glitter in it. And you can see it in the bottle, but you can't see it really on your lips. So this is just a really juicy red lip, but it's, I guess, not as loud as the others. It's just more of a simple, juicy red lip. So if you prefer that, then this is a really good option. I really do like the Smith & Cult brand. I love their glosses. I have a few of them that I got as a gift. So that is another great option for you. Then there's a thing called blurred lips, blotted lips, blurred lips, something like that. I'll show you a couple of those that I have, but I don't know if I love them. I've not used them hardly at all, except for just to try them on. So this one is called Exotic. This is like a blotted lip look. So it almost looks like you took your lipstick and it's worn for a little bit. I guess that's a style or a look, but it just kind of looks simple and it's fun. And then another one that I have is the YSL. And I don't know if this is a blotted lip or not. It's a matte stain. And it feels like water going on your lips. Feels like water going on your lips. I'll give it a second to do its thing. So this is what the YSL looks like, and it's in the shade Tatouage Couture Matte Stain, Tatouage #1. I have no idea if I said that right, but it looks like this. It's just a trial size that I have, but I wanted you to see what that looks like as well. So this is some of my red lips collection. That's my favorites, and then a couple of the last ones are just ones that I wanted to show you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. And yeah, I'll do a giveaway of some of my red lips, so I'll put that in a little makeup bag and it will be yours. All you have to do is like the video, comment, maybe your favorite red lip or your favorite lipstick, and then subscribe. So I thank you so much to all of my followers, and let me know also if you have any suggestions of things that you would like to see. And okay, thank you.